This your boy BDK back at it again with another video. I told y'all last week I was gonna wash my truck up and I was gonna try this Armor All stuff right here. I got the pads and stuff for it. Gonna go ahead and put this on to see if it really lasts 2 years. It's called Permashine tire coating. Told y'all I wanted to try that stuff. Got my car wash stuff, my wheel cleaner, air freshener, chamois. Chamois right here, microfibers, but this is a hard chamois. I probably won't use it. I'm gonna go ahead and fill this bucket up and get going. So, look it up, this chemical, guys. I like to use a lot of this stuff because it foams so well. Hopefully Ice don't come over here and try to drink none of it like he always do. Told you. Put that in there. Then we're gonna fill this bucket up and wash this nasty truck. Move! 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 You ain't doing a good job if you don't wash all up in there. Big ups to Banks for the decal. He told me it was waterproof. I didn't believe him, but it is. It ain't coming off. But I ain't put no pressure washer on it. That's the test right there, that pressure washer. Alrighty, we are all washed up, rims on clean. Get a glimpse of that logo again. I'm so proud of that logo. Oh yeah, Ice chained up with his weird ass. Keep jumping in the footage. Oh yeah, she's good and clean. Now we're gonna get her dried off and go ahead and start the Armor All. I hope this stuff works. Good God Almighty, if this stuff really and truly lasts 2 years, or no, not 2 years. If it really lasts 1 year and you only have to Armor All twice, whoo-wee, that's gonna be dope. That means you can wash your car and not have to worry about putting no Armor All on. You could just clean your rims. You ain't got to worry about nothing scattering on your car on the side. You don't have to worry about nothing scattering on the side. You don't have to worry about trying to clean the Armor All off the rims, the overspray. You don't have to worry about none of that. But we're going to give that thing a shot. What up, what up, what up? Alright. We got the bad boy washed off. The Permashine is on. It sat all night long. And it did rain, but it didn't wash nothing away. I done drove around town a little bit and everything, and it's still there. Nothing slung up on the truck. So we're gonna go around. I got on the tires, I put some here, and this tire, put some right here, on this. When I got back here, I got a little bit on the paint. Do not get none on the paint, because if you get some on the paint, you're gonna have to buff it out. See, right up in here, kind of messed up a little bit, got a little bit on the paint. You can't see it too well because I got it off. And if you get it on the chrome, it's gonna stain the chrome too. So when you put this stuff on, you want to put this stuff on as even as possible and the best that you can, so that you don't mess up your chrome or your paint, because it'll definitely mess it up. It'll come off, but it's gonna take some big boy elbow grease, because I got a little bit on my rim too, but I was able to get it off. I should have just saved it so y'all could see what it looks like. And pretty much, I didn't have enough to get this, but you get the point. So I conclude Permashine actually does work, but it's gonna take a couple of weeks for me to really determine if it lasts for that year. So till the next video, peace.